People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. A bad attitude is like a flat tire. You can't go anywhere till you change it. We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. Everything that's really worthwhile in life comes to us free. Our minds, our souls, our bodies, our hopes, our dreams, our intelligence, our love of family and friends and country. All of these priceless possessions are free. Everything begins with an idea. The mind moves in the direction of our current dominant thoughts. A great attitude is not the result of success. Success is the result of a great attitude. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind, and nourish with repetition and emotion, will one day become a reality. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice. It is conformity. We tend to live up to our expectations. 1 extra hour of study per day and you'll be a national expert in 5 years or less. A success is anyone who is doing deliberately a worthy predetermined job, because that's what he decided to do deliberately. Every one of us is the sum total of our own thoughts. I don't believe in circumstances. The people who get on in this world are the people who get up and look for the circumstances they want, and if they can't find them, make them. Most people begin their day in neutral. They will simply react to whatever confronts them. You must radiate success before it'll come to you. Set worthy goals. Don't drift along as a wandering generality. Be a meaningful, specific. Don't waste time thinking about needless things. Everything you and I will ever have will come to us as the result of the way we use our minds, the one thing we possess that makes us different from all other creatures. We become what we think about. Success is not the result of making money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service. Every one of us is the sum total of our own thoughts. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. Successful people are not without problems. They're simply people who've learned to solve their problems. Please let us know your favorite quote in the comments. Subscribe to our channel and you will be notified when we release our next video.